Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video I'm going to show you how to print deals via the reporter plugin. Alright, so we have a simple example here and now we are going to see how it works. So we go to our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com, and now go to helpdesk project, and yeah, we don't have some deals here, however we could add anytime. So actually no deals here. Alright, so let's go to CRM project. So here are already created deals and we pick some issue that have one deal, but we could add some other, of course. Let's add 3 deals. Alright, so we have 3 deals here added, and now we are going to create our reporter plugin report. So we go to administration and then plugins and then reporter. Now we create new report template and name it, for example, printing deals. Here you could change type and orientation. They are predefined to be issue and portrait, but it depends on your personal needs what could be. So we could leave it in this way, issue and portrait. So we go to our example here and just copy paste this text, and just to say again that this is just an example provided by us. However, you could of course extend it and change it and make it in any other way that you would like to be in accordance with your needs. Alright, so we paste it here and then click create. Alright, we have our printing deals report. So we just refresh our page now and click here on the dots and then click on report and click on printing deals. So we see deals and they are now listed. 1, 2, 3 deals. So this was the example of printing deals via the reporter plugin from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to contact us if you have any questions and problems. Bye bye for now.